Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Dank. Today I have a brand new unboxing for you guys. Today I will be unboxing TOZO T8 earbuds. They're wireless earbuds. They're like AirPods, but like they actually go all the way inside your ear and they don't stick out, and they're just an alternative. So the first thing that I notice is when you turn them over, you can see the specs are right here, and it shows you all of the stuff that it provides. So obviously you got your standby time, so if you don't use it, it'll last 80 hours if you don't use it. When you actually play music or use it for phone calls, it lasts 2.5 hours, and the charging time is only 1 hour. So I'm assuming that the charging time, it means when you plug in the actual charger, because as you can see, this part right here is the charger, and it's like a case for the actual earbuds. So when you're not using the earbuds, you plug them back in here and they'll charge and they'll still stay charged. Alright, so after opening it up, these are the components. It's just a little slide out thing, so the box slides out. This is like the little the top. It seems like it'd be a perfect stocking stuffer or a gift that you can wrap. It's in a nice little box. And the first thing you see is they give you a 1-year warranty. So as long as you activate that, you have a warranty. And I'm assuming that if the earbuds don't work or anything, you can just use the warranty and send it back and get your money back or something like that. Maybe you get a new pair. You have a little instruction manual here. Seems pretty straightforward. You have a user manual, fairly big, and here's the earbuds and the charger. Looks pretty good. A little styrofoam. Alright, so once the entire package is opened, this is what we get. We have a USB charger that plugs into this, which is the case. This is what the case looks like. It's got a little button. I'm assuming you press it to open. Let's go ahead and see if that's true. That is true. Press it, opens up. Looks like the earbuds go right inside of there. Next, we go over, these are the earbuds, the actual earbuds. They go nice and small, go right in your ear. And we have extra of the earlobes just in case these ones get worn, or you just want to switch them out or you lose them. One thing I want to point out is look how small these earbuds are. This is a Razer Black Widow keyboard, and compared next to it, it is about 1 key. It's very, very small, which I actually kind of like, because it'll fit right in your ear. Super, super, super small. Look at that. One thing I want to point out is I got all of this stuff in 1 day. It comes with free shipping, and I got it in 1 day. I ordered it yesterday, and I got it today, which is absolutely insane. Okay, so I now have the earbuds connected to my phone. It was extremely, extremely simple. When they show these 3 steps, they really mean it. These 3 steps were so easy. It took me maybe 15 seconds max. Okay, so after all, I really, really recommend these earbuds because they're 1, super cheap, and 2, really good. I really like them. After listening to music, the sound quality is extremely good. I overall just really, really recommend them. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check them out. Make sure to check out all my other unboxing videos, or just my channel in general, for other free things such as Bitcoin and games. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.